Alright guys, just taking a break from working on the house. I figured, well, let's take out our Lc12 after working on her. We're using our URGENEX 50C 2200 Lipo 2S. We got some big tires on there. Now it's got a Hobby Wing quick rung and an off-brand 2845 running with our Dumbo. And yeah, I'm just messing around. Maybe when I get done I'll show you what we've been working on. And I owe a fellow YouTuber a video on a challenge that she put me to. So anyways, let me get this rolling. I'm not sure how well this is going to run with these tires, but you don't know until you try, right? Isn't that how it goes? Any luck, this will go on there. Now if you watch our last bench video with this girl, you see we put in new shock towers and cleaned it up real nice. Hopefully she runs good. So, showing you guys what we've been working on. We started the new braces for the next 8-foot section. We're finishing up the top. We'll be painting that as soon as we get some warm weather. Let's see what we got. I'll show you. I'm not sure how much of my running I got with my LC, so I'll have to do another run just for running sake. You see where we're going. And you see up here we're going to be filling that in, and then we'll put our trim on and we'll paint all this blue. Then we'll be putting an 8x8 tie here, but in the centers we'll be doing straight 16s, and that's the ones that hold the weight. These are just kind of placeholders, and this can hold up the weight by itself the way it's constructed, so it's a pretty good deal. We use lags. We use all three. You use lags, screws. So your screws tack it into place, your legs draw it in close, and then your finishing nails, your air nailer, what you set to do the bulk of the strength. But yeah, we're looking pretty good. We have an 8-foot deck. Alright, I'm having all kinds of camera issues today, guys. Oh goodness. So we'll try this again. I'll splice something together out of this. This will be a bird's eye view. Hopefully the video footage came out of dang it. Hopefully the video footage come out. Some of the other stuff, I'm having problems with batteries. It's been really cold. I think it just barely got over 50 today. I know it looks nice, but it ain't. That sound is the tire hitting the wing. It's one problem with these tires, they're too big, where the wing, if the wing bottoms out or if it catches the side or falls over. So it definitely flies better with the smaller tires. But I'm assuming this is how a Truggy would look, an EMBT, you know, because they're basically this with a rear straight axle. They have a cheaper model. And right now LC's got a roller kit with electronics, no tires, no body. It's the Truggy for like 170 bucks already built. It's a great deal. I'm thinking about getting one, but I'm a poor man, so I'm gonna get my 2-wheel drive first, the PG. But yeah, hopefully this video's coming out. Hopefully this battery's working. And I got a little challenge I gotta do real quick for a lovely little YouTuber named Pink Tumbleweed. She's from Death Valley. Ooh, buddy. But she thinks she can balance a rig better than this good old farm boy can. Now, I ain't done it since I was a little tyke, but sorry, I'm getting distracted by the running again. Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome. Come on, reverse. Now I think I am going to take this to the track. I can get the right tires for it. Likes to land on its feet. Anyways, so on to the next task. She had some kind of, so this is the challenge. I got to get 53 seconds. 53, guys. I haven't practiced this. I don't even have a rake yet. Okay, here's one. Hers was wooden. But let me see how we go here. Let me get the sun out my eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, okay. All right, let's try this again. And just so she doesn't say I'm cheating, I'll let you watch. I got a bent rake, so you got damage right off the get-go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take your piston. Maybe you got me, girlie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. What are we gonna do for tonight? Right? Anyways, me being silly, here's the critters. They were squawking, be egg soon, getting bigger. And see what happened, we had a storm, wrecked our cover for them. Should have took it down before, but that's what I do. Anyways, one more last rip. What do you guys want? Ah, my favorite car. Like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you when I see you. Have a safe and wonderful day. Don't let the haters hate. 'Cause that's all they're good at. Gossiping is no good. Keep your shit to yourself. You'll live happier. The less people know about you, the happier you'll be. Just live. Just live. Anyway, like and subscribe, guys. Hopefully you enjoy, because I know I did. Oh, too much fun. One day I'll get a fancy car, but for now this is my fancy. I appreciate all yous. Don't say that enough. I'll see you when I see you. And check out LC, check out URGENEX, check out Winter Evening, check out CNHL. Without them, I wouldn't be doing this. I'll see you when I see you.